Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today now I'm going to tell you about the difference between Google Translate and Google Input Tools. Many people are getting confused, but the objectivity and objective of both these tools are absolutely different. So let me tell you the difference between Google Translate and Google Input Tools and what are their advantages. So first I will go to browser as usual, and let me just go to browser. Let me open new browser here, new window. Okay, so in the browser, if you do not know the URL, it's perfectly fine. If you know the URL, just write it here, or else write here Google Translate. See, I could see it is there, Google Translate. So Google Translate, the difference, the main objective of Google Translate is to translate the language from any language to any language. It is many to many. Try to understand. This is from many to many, and it is translating. For example, if I am writing here any language like currently COVID-19 is causing a major trouble for countries. So because it has detected automatically, it is English and it is changing into English, but let me change it to some other language, for example French. So actuellement COVID-19 este I don't know, sorry, I'm sorry, this is it is difficult for me, but there is a solution by Google. If it is difficult for you to understand, just go down and press this speaker button and you will be able to hear that. Let me press it.
Actuellement, Covid-19 est à l'origine d'un problème majeur pour les pays.
See, so this is the difference. This is the difference between this is the main function of Google Translate, where it can detect a language and it can convert to your desired language. You can, for example, let's do it other way around. But it has also been experienced that translation sometimes is really not right. It changes the meaning and intent. Okay, now I'm putting it here and converting it into English. Currently COVID-19 is causing a major problem for countries. So perfect translation done by Google. In this case, you can see when I changed from English to French, and now it is French to English. This is perfect. So this is Google Translate, okay, where you can translate from one language to another, many to many. Now let us go to Google Input Tools. If you do not know the URL, just write here Google Input Tools and you will find here. Okay, I want to write here Google Input Tools. Just press enter and you can see Google Input Tool. Just click it here, and now let me tell you the difference between two. Okay, try it out. Let me close this one also. Okay, now what happens here, I will be writing in English because my keyboard is in English. It is basically converting your keyboard input language to your targeted language. Now my keyboard is in English. I will be writing something in English and I want to convert it to, for example, okay, again French. Let's see what happens. Currently COVID-19 is causing major issues to countries. So it has not really changed much if you see, because the keyboard, though the keyboard is registered, but it has not really changed too much. Let me say US International. This is my keyboard and I want to change it to English. So you hardly can see the difference, but let me show you the difference in some other language. For example, let me take Hindi, and I will be writing in English and it will be giving me corresponding Hindi word. Hindi is Indian language. This is, see, India. It is writing in this language, India. Or let me write in Hindi itself, India मेरे भाई हैं. So what I have written, I used my English keyboard and I am able to generate Hindi language. That is objective of Google input tools. So translate objective was translate any language to any language. Here what you are inputting in your keyboard, it will translate to the targeted language here. For example, if I choose some keyboard, I don't have that keyboard, and if I start writing from here, so see, it is changing automatically. Though the keyboard is English, but the Google input tools are writing into Hindi language. That is objective of Google input tools, and there are so many languages you can really write with your keyboard. These are the languages. Probably Google has made this amazing tool. Heads off. So there are so many languages, maybe like Chinese or maybe Japanese. You can, for example, if you find Japanese somewhere, Japanese, and I am using my keyboard and I am writing, for example, exit. See, already written Dekuchi, you can see. And one more thing, sorry, I forgot to tell one more thing. When you are writing something, for example, I am writing India. Now it is giving me the Japanese translation. Here you have to press spacebar. So there can be multiple translation. And then if you want to select one, you can press 1, or you can just press spacebar again. And so this is happening in case of Japanese. Okay, just select and it will be available with you. So this is Japanese, and I was talking about Hindi. Hindi is very easy. For example, like I have written in English Mera, but you can see so many substitution given by this language, this particular word, and I'll just press keyboard, space bar, so it will take first letter Mera Desh Bharat hai. So I have written India is my country, and this is translated automatically into Hindi. But because I wrote Mera Desh Bharat hai in my keyboard, English keyboard, and that converted into Hindi, targeted Hindi. You can write complete articles on this Google input tool. I have done that. Okay, so you can write complete article using this tool. So this is Google input tool, where you are converting your keyboard inputted language to targeted language. That is objective of Google input tool. And objective of translate is translate text from one language to another language. So this is the major difference between these two. I hope you must have enjoyed this tool. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share. Thank you very much. Take care. Jai Hind.